marketing is something which is very costly. Why they feel? Reason is, if we talk about the print media, it is a lot of sometimes 50,000, sometimes lakhs of rupees for one single day. And what is the outcome? We are not very sure about it. So keeping all these things in mind, they feel that basically marketing is way beyond their pocket, and that's the reason that they are little bit skeptical about going for a particular mode of marketing, or they feel that I will try to manage it. Fact is not like that. Still for the micro and small enterprises, there are various options which are available in the market that if we start using it for ourselves, it will be good. No need to hire any external body, any external marketing agency. You can do things on your own, and that's the reason that we say it DIY. Do it yourself. Majority of the time what we keep SMEs or small or medium enterprises, what we keep on eye, our eyes always remain on income. Whether we are going to get this particular income today, or this particular order will get closed or not, or whether we are going to this particular lead will get materialized or not, always we think towards that, right? So this is the major, back of the mind. Every day in the morning we woke up and we found that this is something which is going in the mind. Being a head of the business unit, in the morning, the moment we ask some accountant or someone to come over there, first thing we discuss about what are the collections that has to happen today. Why? Because cycle is very tough and margin is quite thin, and we just have we keep on thinking regarding where is the money coming from. It should not go as a waste. If you are spending a single or 10,000 rupees or 5,000 rupees as an advertising unit in a particular media, we always try to chase that, what are the kind of returns that we are going to get. Fine. This is not working out anyways. Just to define that, what does marketing means? Normally we understand that marketing is telling about yourself to the people. But as an SME, whether our desire ends that if people know about us, we are not very satisfied over there. We want beyond that. And what is that? We want to do something big. What that big is? It's quite straight and simple that a baby is quite young. We never know that he will be going to win a gold medal in 100-meter race, or he will be doing something very great or not. But the first step that starts always with the smaller steps. So what small and medium enterprises, what they have to do is they have to take smaller and smaller steps. Your idea, your vision could be very big. You might be eyeing at something crores or multi-crores of the kind of turnover, you might be expecting it. But our steps always have to start right from the smaller steps. Every step, if we take a proper step, it could be in terms of hiring a proper resource, or it could be in terms of getting associated or penetrating into a particular market. Whatever it is the kind of thing, what we have to do is we have to try and test various things parallelly. That's where A and B testing which comes into the picture, that something we'll be doing it in one particular media in terms of the marketing, something we would be experimenting on other mode, and then try to see that what the returns are. The first basic small step that we have to do as for the initiation of the sales and marketing activity is start discussion with smaller forums. Always, when we are from Hyderabad, we also have certain local forums which keep on happening. Similarly, in Bangalore, in any other city, and now it's happening on the digital media as well. Lot of meetups keeps on happening on every city. So, first step that we have to do is we need to start participating in these smaller meetups. This will help you to build two things. One thing is it will give you a confidence that yes, there is a scope which is available. Most of the time we come across with an idea and we try to understand that whether this idea is correct or not. यार ये ठीक है या नहीं है पता नहीं. Whether we